Right, and today I'm going to just make a quick floral study. I'm going to use Quinocridin Rose Magenta. Quinocridin, I struggle with this word. Quinocridin Rose Light, Rose Madder, Fluoro Rose, a cadmium yellow. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one. A Paynes grey, olive green, a white, and a buff titanium. If I maybe use something else, I will tell you. And a little bit of blue. Sorry, I forgot about that. Because I want to make a bluish grey background. So I'm going to use my white and my blue. And I'm just going to quickly, I picked up a little bit of pink, but it's okay. Just going to quickly cover the whole background. I'm just going to slightly darken this area here, as this will be my shadow color, or that's where my light will come from, the left hand side, so it will be light, a little bit lighter here, but I'm not going to worry too much. I'm really not going to worry about where actually my light comes from and where that is this and where is that. I'm not going to do it realistic today. I just want to play and I just want to enjoy myself. I've got a 2B, so I'm just going to quickly make some lines for where I want to do my pots and stuff. I think I'm going to go for 2 overlapping pots here. You know what, I'm going to make that one bigger. And then I want to do something there and there and there, I think. And then I'm going to make a, maybe I'm going to change my mind, I'm not sure. I'm just going to fill up the areas and just see what I get. You can do this when your paint is still a little bit more wet. It's summer here in South Africa. We have got a lot of heat going, so if you don't do thick palette knife backgrounds, you struggle to go into this, but I'm gonna scrape into it as I paint. Okay, I'm gonna start with my pots. I'm just taking a little bit of a grey. You can even use your Paynes grey with your blue and white. I'm just going to cover that area first. I'm just going to keep it very quick and easy. I'm just going to enjoy it as I told you. I'm not going to worry too much about everything. Then I'm going to start with my blues. And I'm just going to make, I think, hydrangeas, I'm not sure. Christmas roses. And while I'm at it, you can just maybe scrape into it. I could have actually made a dark background here, but I didn't think as usual. I will cover up a little bit of it again because I just want to. You see, you must do these things. It looks actually very nice in oils, but as I said, it's summer here, so it's a struggle for us with the heat. Can maybe even put a pink one there at the back. Don't like this color. I'm just going to quickly change it a little bit. Remember, you don't have to do the scraping if you don't like it. I just like to dabble into it and scribble and do some things. Okay, for now I think that's enough, so I'm going to start with my, just want to get some greens out. Okay, let me start with the greens, and then we can just maybe move on from there. Just bring in a little bit of my greens before I start with the flowers, that I don't need to go back and fill up all the areas and stuff. I think that's enough with the greens, and I'm going to start with the pinks now. So I'm just going to start with my darkest one, and I'm just going to, I actually don't know what flowers I want to make, but let's go. I'm just going to go with it and see what comes out. Just remember to scrape while these things are wet, if you want to do some scraping. Just taking a little bit of Paynes grey, with my pink, I just want to slightly darken that edge. I don't like these three flowers. I think I made a mistake. So I think I will be just maybe putting in another one. Maybe I must put in one here as well, just to balance it out a little bit. Where's my light pink? I almost forgot to do my scraping. And remember, as I said, if you struggle with this and you can't work as fast, go with your oils. It's exactly the same process. It will be just much easier for you to scrape into everything, and you know, it will be really much easier. And you can even use another, you can use your if you use your acrylics, you can use your what do you call these? Let me just quickly get there. I don't know where they are now, but waterable soluble crayons can also work very nice. Maybe I can put a leaf on there for this one. And I actually forgot to put in a little bit of my yellow, so I'm going to do that. Just a touch of my yellow with some of these. I didn't even use my orange. I don't know what is going on with me today. So I will be showing you now what I used and what I didn't. Of course, there's a few things that I did not use. So maybe I can just put in a little bit of few hearts here and there. No, I don't like that. You just get rid of that quickly. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Just want to get another blue. Just want to do something there. I don't like, now that I've changed that bothers me, you know. You mustn't start and change something, then you off track already, and that I can get easily off track. Just want to darken some of the areas a little bit more. just want to put in a little bit of white there. And then I think I must stop. Just want to get a little bit of more of my white. I see I also forgot my leaf there. I just want to put in some white there. And you can even take a little bit of your yellow with your white. I think I'm overworking this thing now and making a mess, so I think I'm just going to stop here while I still like it. Just get it maybe a little bit of a dark pencil. I'm just going to write my name, and then there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time, and you must have a lovely day and take care. And remember, play. Don't get stuck in realism if you don't like it. Just try and just do what your heart tells you to do, and if you don't like it, you can always go and change it again. There's no right or wrong. You can see I just played and I enjoyed it, and that's the whole purpose of this whole thing. Enjoy it. Have a lovely day.